Why are there more and more people talking about culinary recipe creations? Because experimenting in the kitchen is deliciously fun. That's why. Join us for delectable foodie tutorials that will transform your cooking game. From savory starters to decadent desserts, we've got you covered. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest mouth-watering creations. Love what you see? Drop us a like, leave a comment, and share our videos with your fellow food enthusiasts. Your support helps us bring you even more scrumptious content. So sit back, relax, and let us handle the cooking entertainment. Stay tuned in because it's cooking time. Welcome to Culinary Recipe Creations, your new favorite kitchen corner. Let's create something delicious together.
Let's be honest, folks. Is there anything more satisfying than biting into a perfectly fried piece of chicken? That shattering crunch, the juicy meat inside, the explosion of flavor. It's a culinary masterpiece. And guess what? You don't need to be a Michelin star chef to achieve this level of deliciousness. We're about to embark on a journey to create the crispiest, most flavorful fried chicken you've ever had, all in the comfort of your own kitchen. Get ready to impress yourself. Before we fire up the stove, let's assemble our team of ingredients. This is the foundation of any great dish, and having everything ready will make the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Don't worry, we're keeping things simple and accessible. Here's what you'll need. Nothing too fancy, just the essentials that pack a punch. Chicken pieces, drumsticks, thighs, or wings work best. Make sure they're fresh and ready to be transformed into something delicious. Buttermilk, the secret weapon for juiciness. It tenderizes the meat and adds a subtle tangy flavor. All-purpose flour, the foundation of our crispy coating. This is what gives our chicken that irresistible crunch. Cornstarch, for extra crunch factor. It works wonders in combination with the flour. Salt, to enhance those natural flavors. A little goes a long way in bringing out the best in our ingredients. Black pepper, a touch of heat. It adds a subtle kick without overpowering the dish. Paprika, for a hint of smokiness. It also adds a beautiful color to our coating. Garlic powder, because garlic makes everything better. It infuses the chicken with a rich, savory flavor. Onion powder, adding depth and complexity. It complements the garlic perfectly. And finally, vegetable oil for frying. Got everything? Good, now let's get cooking. With our ingredients ready, we're set to create a mouth-watering dish that will impress everyone. All right, chefs, it's showtime. Get ready to embark on a culinary journey that will elevate your fried chicken game to new heights. Follow these simple steps, and you'll be well on your way to fried chicken heaven. Trust the process, and the results will be nothing short of spectacular. Step 1. The buttermilk bath. Take your chicken pieces and give them a good soak in a bowl of buttermilk. This step is crucial for ensuring your chicken is juicy and flavorful. This magical elixir tenderizes the meat and adds a tangy flavor that'll have you licking your fingers. The buttermilk works its magic by breaking down the proteins in the chicken, making it incredibly tender. Let them bathe for at least 30 minutes or even better overnight in the fridge. The longer they soak, the more flavorful and tender they become. Step 2. The flour power mix. In a separate bowl, combine your flour, cornstarch, salt, black pepper, paprika, garlic powder, and onion powder. Each ingredient plays a vital role in creating the perfect crust. This is our secret weapon for creating that shatteringly crisp crust. The cornstarch adds extra crunch, while the spices infuse the chicken with a depth of flavor that is simply irresistible. Section 4. The Golden Standard, Achieving Crispy Perfection. In this section, we will guide you through the essential steps to achieve that perfect, crispy fried chicken that everyone loves. Step 3. The Dredge and Coat. This step is crucial for creating that irresistible crunch. Now, take each buttermilk-soaked chicken piece and generously coat it in the flour mixture. Make sure to press the flour onto the chicken to ensure it sticks well. Make sure every nook and cranny is covered for maximum crunch. This thorough coating will help create that perfect crispy texture. Step 4. The oil sizzle. The right temperature of the oil is key to achieving that golden, crispy exterior. Heat a generous amount of vegetable oil in a frying pan over medium-high heat. The oil should be hot enough to cook the chicken evenly without burning it. You'll know it's ready when a pinch of flour sizzles instantly upon contact. This indicates that the oil is at the perfect temperature for frying. Step 5. The golden fry. This is where the magic happens. Carefully place your coated chicken pieces in the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Overcrowding can lower the oil temperature and result in soggy chicken. Fry them for about 6 to 8 minutes on each side, or until they reach a glorious golden brown color and the internal temperature hits 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. This ensures that the chicken is cooked through and safe to eat while maintaining that perfect crispy exterior. Section 5, from pan to plate, serving up your masterpiece. Once your chicken is cooked to crispy perfection, remove it from the pan and place it on a wire rack over a baking sheet to drain excess oil. This will help maintain that irresistible crunch. Now, for the best part, serving. This crispy fried chicken is amazing on its own, but you can elevate it further with some classic sides like creamy mashed potatoes, coleslaw, or mac and cheese. Don't forget your favorite dipping sauce. Section 6. Embrace the crunch, a final word. There you have it, folks. Crispy, juicy, flavorful fried chicken that'll have everyone begging for seconds. And the best part? It only took you 5 minutes of active cooking time. So go ahead, gather your ingredients, and unleash your inner chef. Trust me, the results will be finger-licking good.
What I wish I knew about cooking at 10 instead of 20. You can learn it all right here. Are you ready to spice up your cooking game? Subscribe now and join our foodie family. Every day we drop mouth-watering recipes that are easy, elegant, and oh so delicious. Hit that like button if you love food. Comment below with your favorite dish. We want to hear from you, and don't forget to share the love with your friends and family. Ring that notification bell so you never miss a tasty tutorial. Thanks for joining us at the Culinary Recipe Creations channel. Stay with us, sit back, and be amazed. Your one-stop recipe channel is here to entertain and inspire you with the most delicious recipes on earth. Enjoy our videos and happy cooking!